This is the Fortune Cookie Soap Holiday Box. It was a $90 box with a suggested retail of $135. There are 9 items in it. What did we get? They said, wishing you a pink Christmas. This is the Tangled in the Tinsel wax melt. And it cracked a little bit, but that's okay. It's going to have to crack to go into the wax melter. And I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up or not. There's actually bits of product that makes it look like there's tinsel in the tree. Oh, how neat and festive. We have a room spray called Deck the Halls in pink. And everything has a light, fresh, festive scent, not necessarily a woodsy or pine scent, a nice, fun, festive, almost marshmallowy, candy, sweet scent. They did not give us a QR code or any scent notes on the particular products. This is the Christmas Cutie Bath Bomb. I might keep this and break it up. I like to break up bath bombs, put them in a basin, soak my feet at the risk of TMI before I do my pedicure. But I also might pass this along as a gift because it is a cute one. And I don't see a size on here, but it has got some heft to it and a good size. This is Pink Winter Wishes. It's a body wash and it smells like strawberry. This will be a fun one in as much as it's designed for Christmas time. I might save this for the summertime. This will be a fun one in the summertime. Strawberry scented. This is the Merry and Bright Body Frosting. It's a great whipped cream. I've used many of their whipped creams before and really enjoyed them. That's what it looks like, but it kind of blinds you. This is Candy Cane Fluff. This is sort of a cross between a marshmallow and peppermint. This is their deep conditioner. Very happy to get this one. I like to use it on the ends of this so that it doesn't get as dry. This gives it a good moisture. I was surprised by this one. Yes, me too. I've never seen them do a face mask. This is called Sweet Cheeks. This ought to be fun to try. Yes. Meet me under the mistletoe. This is a lip oil, and if you can see, they've got a good-sized doe foot applicator, and I'm all for a good lip oil. This is Snowflakes and Sugar, and it is a whopping size. Yes, it definitely is. They don't give a size on it, but this is gonna be a good one. Snowflakes and Sugar Glowing Sugar Scrub. Again, everything has sort of a marshmallowy, candy sweetness to it. I look forward to using this one here in the winter time. This is a bar of soap like a Christmas tree. And it is called And to All a Pink Night, which is the bittersweet part of this unboxing, is that Fortune Cookie Soap made the difficult decision to have to go out of business. We are very sad to hear that news. We really enjoyed their products. They say they're in business until the 31st of December. They're at a new website, fortunecookie-soap.co, not .com, .co. They're going to be there, I think, until the end of December or as long as the products that they have last. So if you're interested, now's the time to maybe take a look, but it might have already sold out. They were doing a create your own for a few of their products, so you could specify the scent that you wanted. So if you wanted a hair mask, you could specify unscented or vanilla or whatever scent you wanted for that. They were doing their cream, which is very good. I'm hoping that people can get a little bit more. It's unfortunate. They were a small business. They hung on as long as they could, and things beyond their control, and we are very sad to see them go, and we want to wish to Bethany, Daisy, and any other employees over there all the best in whatever their future endeavors might be. And that is our unboxing. I wanted to show the box. We wanted to show one last box. You may or may not be able to get product. But thank you for watching. We do have other fun videos where you can hopefully enjoy them maybe a little bit more and get the products. But like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in another video.